Let's sing letters one by one. With a word, it's so much fun. A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball, it rolls on the ground. C is for car, beep, beep, it goes. D is for drum, bang, bang, it shows. A, B, C, D, clap with me. Letters are fun, easy as can be. E is for egg, in a little nest. F is for fan, when it's hot, it's best. G is for gift, wrapped just for you. H is for hat, red, green, or blue. E, F, G, H, wave your hand. Letters are cool, just as we planned. I is for ice cream, cold and clear. J is for jar, full of cheer. K is for kite, flying up high. L is for leaf that falls from the sky. I, J, K, L, say them loud. Learning letters makes us proud. M is for moon, glowing at night. Let's say the letters, what a delight. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and M. We love letters, yes we do. Let's sing again.